Dear students, I'm on page 8 and today we are going to continue working on a 5-finger position for the right hand. Alright, if you watched my video number 1, you already know where the middle C is. If you didn't watch that video, please do so and practice all of the little exercises that I presented in that video. Okay, so right hand, thumb, finger number 1 on middle C, which is a hint located on the left from the group of 2 black keys. Okay, finger 1 C, finger 2 D, finger 3 E, finger 4 F, finger 5 G. Now we need to discuss the musical notation. In the middle of page 8 you have a diagram. See, that's your middle C on the left from 2 black keys. Okay, and in music we use 5 lines, horizontal lines, and we count the lines from the bottom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we also use clefs to notate the higher pitches. This clef is called treble clef, and eventually I will teach you another clef for the left hand for the lower pitches, but today we are just working on the treble clef. So just remember 5 lines and 4 spaces, so we can write the notes on the lines, like E is on the first line, G is on the second line, but we also can place the notes in the spaces. So F is a space number 1, D is below the first line, and C is actually on an additional line, which we call a ledger line. Okay, so just remember how these 5 notes are placed, and that's easy because for a while you're just going to practice working on these 5 notes, so you're not going to get overwhelmed. Now, so let's play a simple exercise. So I'm on the bottom of page 8 and it's called right hand warm up. So place your thumb of the right hand on the middle C and then the rest of the fingers on the following keys: C, D, E, F, G. Now let's play the exercise and name the notes. The notes are written in white font inside each of the black notes. Okay, C, D, E, F, G. And again, C, D, E, F, G. All right, now let's play this exercise again and let's name the finger numbers. Finger numbers are located above the notes. In fact, above the 5th line, okay? 1 for C, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's good. Now the second line goes, you start on G, same position, G, finger 5. Let's name the notes: G, F, E, D, C. And again, G, F, E, D, C. Now let's name the finger numbers: 5 for G, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Now the exercise at the very bottom of the page, you're going to start on 1, middle C, go all the way consecutively to finger 5, and from finger 5 you go down consecutively back to finger 1. So let's name the notes: C, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Now finger numbers out loud, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's it for page number 8. Now let's move on to page number 9. Now I'm going to teach you how to count and what's the beat and what's the meter. All right, so to notate the length or the duration of each note, musicians use black notes, which they call quarter notes, or they use white notes, which they call half notes. Now, a quarter note is a short note which take only one beat. Quarter, 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 quarter. Now, the white note with a stick, which we call the music stem, okay? And music stem is important, yeah? Because there is a white note without music stem, which we are going to learn later. It has a different amount of counts. So just refer to white note with a music stem. It has 2 beats or 2 quarter notes in it. So you go 1, 2 for a white note with a music stem. So quarter, quarter, half note. Half note has 2 quarters in it, yeah? It's like if you have one pizza, one whole pizza pie, then you divide it in 4, you slice it in 4 sections. So each of the 4 sections, that is 1/4 of the pizza. That's your black quarter note. But a half a pizza, yeah, that has 2 quarter sections. So that's your half note, 2 beats or 2 quarter notes in it. Okay, so refer to a pizza pie if it's easier. Now, let's clap the exercise which is in the middle of page 9, okay? So all of the notes located between the vertical lines, yeah, they are called notes of a measure. So the space between vertical lines is a measure, or sometimes we call this space a bar. Measure and bar are the same words, they're synonyms, and the vertical bars are called bar lines, okay? So we're going to clap these black notes and white notes with a music stem, and we are going to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. That means you have to start counting all over, starting from 1. 1, 2, you see a half note, then you count 3, 4. Measure number 3, you see 4 black notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last measure, you have 2 half notes. So first half note is 1, 2, you hold it, and the second half note is beat 3 and 4. Okay, so let's try one more time without pausing or stopping when you see a bar line. Bar lines don't mean stop. I was just stopping to explain what was going on in the next bar. So without stopping, give yourself 4 beats of counting before you start. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Now, place your hand in middle C position and use finger 3, which your note will be E. Yeah? Okay, and let's play this rhythm that we just clapped on one note. Use finger 3 and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, hold. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I hope this makes sense. And now I think we are ready to play a song. It's Ode to Joy. That's one of your assignments. And so Ode to Joy is also in the middle C position. And let's start by clapping the rhythm. So you have lots of quarter notes. They take one beat. When you see a half note, just hold your palms like in a handshake and then count 2 beats. Okay, so we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. All right. Now, let's put our right hand in middle C position. That means thumb is on C. We are going to start with finger number 3. Now let's play and name the finger numbers. Okay, that should be easier. 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Hold. 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Hold. All right. So now we need to play the same melody and name the notes. Yeah, alphabetically how they are. Okay, so you start fingers 3 on E. So E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D. Hold. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Hold. Very good. Now, the third way of playing that song is play it and count the beats. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just because you can only fit 4 black notes, 4 quarter notes in one measure or in one bar. All right, so get your third finger ready and let's give us ourselves a bar of counting without playing. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if this was way too confusing for you, because see the finger numbers, they don't match the number of the beats, because the beats go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, while finger numbers, they go according to the melody, and they never match or rarely match for just a couple of beats. So if this is too confusing, just you can count. Let's see. Half note. Half note. So at this point, your goal is to develop a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whether you count a steady beat 1, 2, 3, 4 or ta, 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 ta. Also, it's important for you to differentiate the black notes from white notes. So black notes take 1 beat, the white notes take 2 beats. So you literally have to hold the white notes for 2 beats longer on the piano. All right. Well, that concludes my video presentation on page 9. So have fun working on Ode to Joy. And that's the first song that you have to record. And when you record it, you're welcome to sing along, naming the notes. E, E, F, G. And you can sing the melody. E, E, F, G. Like that. If it's too difficult, just play and count the beats either inside your head or out loud. Yes, so difficult, but what to do? You're here to learn. Well, thank you very much. Looking forward to watching your video of Ode to Joy. Thank you.